In this video, we will see string concatenation. So, string concatenation is just adding to a string. Like we add two integer value, 2 plus 2 is 4. So, can we add two string str plus pir. So, yes, we can add two strings. So, it is called adding two string is called string concatenation. So can we multiply a string with integer number? So multiply, like you can understand it by example. 2 into 3 is nothing but adding the 2 three times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is nothing but adding the string two times. So using this logic, we can multiply a string like a name RIP multiplied using 3. So it is nothing but adding RIP 3 times. So what it will return RIP, RIP, RIP. As we see adding to string, just adding the last string to first one. So multiplying the string actually adding the string multiplying using 3 time or 4 time. I can pass 5 here, so it will add 5 times. So it will like this. So let's check, can we multiply string with string. So like this RIP into PIR. So no, it will returning type error that can't multiply sequence by non-integer of type. This is a string. So we cannot multiply a string or sequence to non-integer value. In this case, non-integer value is PIR, which is string. So we cannot multiply two strings or two lists as well, because these are the list and string are sequences, and we cannot multiply it, as you can see the message here.